What is the role of collision insurance involving rideshare accidents? The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain. Collision insurance is meant to cover the cost of damages to vehicles involved in accidents, and it is a type of coverage that Florida law does not require Lyft to have. With that said, Lyft drivers are protected by collision and comprehensive coverage from the moment that a ride is accepted until the moment that a ride ends. However, it is important to note that this is only true if the Lyft driver has contingent collision coverage, meaning that they already have collision coverage on their personal auto insurance policy. Lyft contingent collision policy has a $2,500 deductible, which is about 2.5 times as much as Uber's deductible. It applies even in the event that the Lyft driver was at fault for the accident and covers the entire cost of the repair or the replacement of the damaged vehicle, whichever costs less. When dealing with a rideshare provider like Lyft or Uber, along with their insurance companies, it is important to have the proper legal representation. Your legal counsel will be familiar with the process of dealing with rideshare providers and their insurance companies to help you get the maximum financial compensation you deserve. For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.